Do you want to go fishing with Uncle Earl at the Elks Club?
No.
Why?
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 Oh, I don't know.
Why can't
Here, Ray, you want more?
down there, let's go.
Oh, Kel. Here. Wait, you get your handshake.
I get a mask.
Yeah, you did get a mask. You're not going to shake hands with me.
Yeah.
No way, Jose.
Ryan, say shake.
No way! You get away from me, Buster.
Shake.
Happy birthday to you.
He looks like a little drunk.
Happy birthday to you.
He sounds like one too.
To you.
And you. Here, Ray.
Healthy smile.
You're much more vodka than that.
Show grandmother and grandpa.
Happy